guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Sanya. So today I am going to show you a beautiful still life painting basket full of fruits. So before we go further, hit the subscribe button and become a part of our art loving community. Grab your pencil and lightly sketch the shape of fruit basket. Keep it simple. We are going for a loose, easy vibe. The goal here is to create a guide for our colorful adventure. Let's make those fruits first. Paint each fruit with vibrant colors. Feel free to add your twist, maybe a personalized touch or your favorite fruit. Now paint the background with raw umber, sap green, lemon yellow and whites. Have fun blending colors to create a dynamic backdrop. Let it dry, then begin adding layers to fruit basket. Don't stress about perfection. This is where the magic happens. Now let's make those fruits pop. Add those intricate details. Give some dark tones with raw umber and lighter tones with white. The purpose of still life painting is to depict inanimate objects such as fruits, flowers, and everyday items in realistic or artistic manner. This painting often focuses on composition, lighting, and arrangement of objects to create visually appealing artwork. highlights and shadows to give fruit basket a depth. If you enjoyed this video, give a thumbs up. Remember, it's all about enjoying the journey of creation. I hope you had as much fun as I did. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. And there you have it. Thank you for joining me. Stay tuned for more such paintings.